Welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about color correction mode setting. How can we on in our Infinix phone? So you want to on guys your color correction and guys how can you use your color correction mode setting and guys how can you turn on in your Infinix phone. In this video guys I will show you. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all we will on our phone setting to on color correction and guys we will scroll it guys. After scroll guys you can see guys your phone special function setting guys. Tap here guys, click on your accessibility setting and guys scroll it. Friends you can see guys your color correction. Friends tap here guys, you can see your color correction mode setting. So friends you can on from here. So right side guys we will on and guys you can see guys your phone screen color will change and guys you can see your icon color will remove. So like that guys you can on your color correction and guys you can use in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. Bye friends.